Hello everyone and welcome, and today we'll show you how to start a website on Bluehost. The good thing about Bluehost is its simplicity. You don't need to know coding. It's all about just choosing the templates. So first you want to go and search for Bluehost on your internet. Then after you enter this page, you want to choose your own plan. So here as you can see, you have the standard, the high performance, the commerce, VPS, dedicated, and cloud. Now let's say that I will start with the lowest one and the cost effective, which is this one right here, the starter pack. Now we want to choose your free domain name. Let's say that I'm gonna name it Zane Zone, for example. This is my own name, Zane Zone. Then I'm gonna click on search for domain, just in order to make sure that there's no other domains that has the same name. So I'm gonna click on search for domain. This is how simple it is. And after searching here, it will tell you exactly how to pay for this domain. So here, as you can see, it tells you the add-ons. Here you have the add-ons that you can actually add. And of course, more add-ons means more money that you will pay. Now here you have the account, whether you want to enter a GitHub account, an Apple account, Google email, or anything else. Here you have the payment option, which is PayPal or the credit card. And here on the right side, you can choose the duration of your host. Do you want to pay monthly? Do you want to pay yearly or every 3 years? It depends on your need. And after you are full and satisfied with your results, satisfied with your add-ons, and you have entered all the things in its places, you just have to click on submit payment. And now once you sign up and choose your own domain name, you will now have to install the WordPress. So here, as you can see, I have WordPress website hosting by Bluehost, and here it tells you all the plans available. And after you install the WordPress, which is free and easy with Bluehost, go to your Bluehost dashboard, find My Sites section, and click Create Site. Enter your site name and tagline, then click Next. Bluehost will automatically install WordPress for you. Step 3. Choose a theme. Now let's pick a theme. WordPress has thousands of free and paid themes. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click Appearance, Themes, Add New, find a theme that matches your style, and click Install. Activate. Boom. Your website now has a design. Step 4. Customize your website. Time to make your website yours. Go to Customize in the dashboard. Here you can edit your logo, colors, fonts, and home page layout. Add pages like About, Contact, or Services. Do not forget to add plugins for extra features like contact forms, SEO, or security. Publish. Once you are happy with your site, click on Publish, and your website is now live on the internet. You can check it by typing your domain name in the browser, and that is it. You now have a fully functional website with Bluehost in 2025. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.